A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica versus game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About do Mr. Capalat, you don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Guys, give me another reaction. Woo! Today we are with Lady Lesh. Yeah, man. Lady Lesh, bar with Lesh. Yeah? Bar with Lesh. I wonder what go another one. There's some of my bad bomber cloth artists from them time then, man. Yeah, man. I could jump in that one and say, oh, before I do that, there's a link in the comment section. Please, I'm begging you, follow my second reaction channel. Yes. A link in the comment section. Please, I'm begging you, follow my second reaction channel. Alright? Oh, Lady Lesh, this one is for you. Me not like your style, you know. Yeah, man, me not like your bomber class style, mama. Yeah, I'm a G, you know. Remember, yeah, I'm a G, you know. So, all you have to drop song and a comment section and tell me say song drop. Me not see nothing. You don't say nothing. Yo, fix up them style, mama. Them style are ready. But anyway, I'm not going to jump in that one and say where Lily Lesh. Let's go. Bust. And what you say? Ready? Alright, bring the production team. Bumbo classic.
Yeah.
Tell them.
I was about to hang up the mic for life, you really don't.
Yeah.
I guess it's in the genes, must be the material.
Yeah.
My body beats, so pardon me, it's a burial. I'm old school when you have to twist the aerial.
You're about to hang up which bumbo clap mic, eh? Which mic you're about to hang up? You can't hang up the mic, boy, your mama. You're too bad for you hang up bumbo clap mic. You're not easy. You're bright and fierce, you're Tavada, but not stink. No, you're not stink. But me like that style, mama. Hang up which mic, eh? Alright. One bar, what she just said a while ago, she said, she's old school. Something about aerial, twisty aerial. Hold on, I'm find a bar again. Bust the bus. Kick him now your face, you ask me what's the deal, yo. Oh, me not show the what I'm just chilly, yo. Number one, me making part 2, oh no. Oh, you for this me and now. Hold on, Lady Lesh.
Yeah.
Ready?
I was about to hang up the mic for life, you really don't.
Yeah.
I guess it's in the genes, must be the material.
Yeah.
My body beats, so pardon me, it's a burial. I'm old school when you have to twist the aerial.
I'm old school like when you have to twist the aerial. If you don't know what she attacked this, so drop in the comment section. I know what she's talking about. I know about the aerial twisting. There's been a lot of the aerial twisting. Plus the knock on the side of it. Forget the signal properly. Alright. If you don't know, no. If you don't know, no. I'm blood clot, no. Alright.
Body beats, so pardon me, it's a burial. I'm old school when you have to twist the aerial. Lick the fist, stay in the sea, I'm calling them aerial. Get in the morning like cereal, no Cheerio. Hot me pepper them up with the chili flow. She get up fucking me, I think she a city girl. The only thing I'm really stalking is the money though. Even though the media made me to be a bully, yo.
The media make her to be a bully, but she not pay them the mind. Fuck the media. Be a negativity cell. She said, fuck that. I'm money she a chase. MONEY, that she a chase. Big up herself, mama.
The only thing I'm really stalking is the money though. Even though the media made me to be a bully, yo. It's funny though, for niggas hitting my funny bone. Cause they wouldn't know, acting no shopping, they gullible. Dumb and slow, we tell them go stop at funny bone. Cause even though the media made me to be a bully, yo. It's funny though, for niggas hitting my funny bone. Cause they wouldn't know, acting no shopping, they gullible. Dumb and slow, we tell them go stop at toe. Put my trouble at home, pebbles effects at the rubber, bro.
This is why you can never hang up the bumbuckler mic, boy, Lesh. You can't hang up the mic, boy, mama. You mad? Must want UK have riot. You must want UK have riot. Anyway, come talk to them again.
Yeah.
Come talk to them again. Let me hear. Where one?
I was about to hang up the mic for life, you really don't. I guess it's in the genes, must be the material. My body beats, so pardon me, it's a burial. I'm old school when you have to twist the aerial.
Yeah.
The fist, stay in the sea, I'm calling them aerial. Get it in the morning like cereal. No
Cheerio.
Hot me pepper them up with the chili, yo. She get up fucking me, I think she a city girl. The only thing I'm really stalking is the money though. Even though the media made me to be a bully, yo. It's funny though, for niggas hitting my funny bone. Cause they wouldn't know, acting no shopping, they gullible. Dumb and slow. We tell them go stop a toe. Put my trouble at home. Pebbles effects at the rubber, bro. Shut them all. Cut like a queen with the honeycomb.
Watch a blood clot box there. The box there fly all the way from Run a one part when an Asia reach a UK. Move all the box there.
But home peppers effects at the rubber bro. Shut them out, cut like a queen with a honeycomb. So I gotta see it through like I'm flinging a dog a bone. Like that. Wanna wall with Lesh.
Yeah.
Headshot bottom was the cause of bleed. Hit rock bottom if you ball with me. I'm an OG with the apostrophe. If you really want,
I'm an OG with the apostrophe.
I'm an OG with the apostrophe. If you really wanna wall with Lesh. Headshot bottom was the cause of bleed. Hit rock bottom if you ball with me. I'm an OG with the apostrophe. If you really wanna wall with Lesh, but you can't though. Wall blow, digging on smoke. Your alarm doors, not woke, always on one, like the clock. Yo, bars cold, but you don't know. I'm a hot stone. It's about to go.
Always on one like the clock, bro. What the blood clot?
Lesh, but you can't though. Wall blow, digging on smoke. Your alarm doors, not woke, always on one, like the clock. Yo, bars cold, but you don't know. I'm a hot stone. It's about to go down like a pothole. Why?
It's about to go down like a pothole. What you say?
But you don't know. I'm a hot stone. It's about
To go down like a pothole.
Why? Cause I'm on 100 like a charged phone. And been the same since 22nd of October. Imagine getting framed, but your name ain't Picasso. They got
This I got always follow her, you know. The frame thing, the code thing when she go through with it, I got always, even though her name clear, them thing I got always follow her, bro. Mama, you're strong anyway, you're strong.
been the same since 22nd of October. Imagine getting framed, but your name ain't Picasso. They got too much mouth, they Johnny Bravo.
Imagine getting frame, but the name and Picasso. Picasso the painter, frame, picture frame, painting frame, getting frame, get it? Blood clot.
Imagine getting framed, but your name ain't Picasso. They got too much mouth, they Johnny Bravo. Bravo, catch you in the field, get your lawn mowed. And if you think that we beefing, you get the arc so. I got my team up in Sweden, she bring the Stockholm. Look, I ain't gonna hold you.
What?
You get the arc so. I got my team up in Sweden, she bring the Stockholm. Look,
I got my thing up in Sweden, she bring the Stockholm. Stockholm, Sweden, Stockholm, Stockholm, get it? Play on words, double entendre. Bah!
and if you think that we beefing, you get the arc so.
I got my team
in Sweden, she bring the Stockholm. Look, I ain't gonna hold you like a styrofoam, but they ain't got the drive, get the car told. See me coming from afar, whips white Jack Harlow, insides like my Bardo, it's awesome. See me coming from afar, whips white Jack Harlow, insides like my Bardo, it's also awful. I say it's awful, uh-oh, dark flow, I call it charcoal, sharp goes, a heart froze, I think she startled, not known, heart flows, will get your talk so wash.
Yeah, but me ask you again, lady, which blood clot mic you say you go hang up, mama? Which mic you think about you hang up? You're mad?
Sharp goes, a heart froze, I think she startled, not known, heart flows, will get your talk so wash clothes, she also cut but your tongue so drop boat to drop home, I get it pronto, top girls, they quanto, they game is cutthroat, unknown and unsolved, then they can not go. Really wanna walk
Original! Original! If you really wanna.
Headshot bottom was the cause of blade. Hit rock bottom if you ball with me. I'm a OG with the apostrophe. If you really wanna wall with Lesh. Headshot bottom was the cause of blade. Hit rock bottom if you ball with me. I'm a OG with the apostrophe. If you really wanna wall with Lesh. Headshot bottom was the cause of blade. Hit rock bottom if you ball with me. I'm a OG with the apostrophe. If you
Michael Jackson, the jailer. Hey, hey, Baba. Yeah, yeah. Bombocla. Yo, that was crazy. Big up yourself, Lady Lesh. Big up your fucking self. What can I say? You did Busta Rhymes beat justice. Yeah, not everybody will jump on the beat do it justice, but you do it justice. There's no way you can hang up my boots, hang up my mic. You can no hanging up of nothing. No hanging up of blood clot, nothing. Mama, step on them bumbo clot neck, full speed. Step on them neck, now get up off of them pussy clot neck until them suffocated. You see me? Yes, that's for the haters. But you see the people that must support her, want to continue supporting her because want to see what they nearly did to her in the court system. Want to see it. Want to see the frame. Want to see the big frame going with there. She kick out tight and forward back strong. Yes, negative result, For that strong. Big up yourself, mama. Yeah. So the pussy them we go on 8, and go on 8 pan her. Yes. And then go and paint the bully narrative that she is. Because she's not. Big up yourself, mama. Yeah, I'm G. Yes. Bumbaclaw. No pussy test. No pussy. Yeah. Remember, so a link down in the comment section. Please click on that and follow my second reaction channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.